So today we're using our Stupid Food waffle mix to make some pumpkin praline waffles. So we've gone ahead and used the mix, a half a cup with a half a cup of water to start the mix off. You can use your milk of choice, whatever you like. If you like whole milk, if you like oat milk, if you want to put protein powder in there. It already has 7 grams of protein per serving, but if you need extra, you can always add a little bit more. So we've let this sit. Now we're just going to add our pumpkin puree. We're gonna add our pumpkin spice. So it's just like a little bit of cinnamon. I'll put that in there. And that is it for this. So we're honestly just gonna mix it in. So, in some of the other videos, I've done toppings, but you can do toppings. You can also do it like this and just add things in. Sometimes I'll add carrot and make carrot cake. So once we've got that thoroughly mixed in, we're gonna open our waffle maker. So we're gonna do about a 1/4 cup per side, which is about like so. Now we wait 3 minutes. I think our pumpkin waffles are ready. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now we've got our pumpkin waffles ready to go. So I'm just gonna hit them with a little powdered sugar because powdered sugars are always good. It looks pretty. And then we've got some praline pecans, which are amazing and delicious. I'm just gonna sprinkle those there and syrup of your choice. And voila, pumpkin praline waffles.